you love traveling to Thailand and exploring the diversity of this incredible country? Experience paradise beaches and the warm hospitality of the Thai people. Discover the heart of Thailand in its vibrant markets, the colors, the aromas, the energy. But without the right words, even the simplest conversations can quickly become a challenge. Start now and speak Thai. With the free vocabulary trainer app, you hold the key to real communication in your hands. Learn Thai easily and effectively anytime, anywhere. With over 1,200 words, interactive exercises, and an intuitive interface, vThai helps you learn Thai your way. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, vThai is your key to mastering the Thai language and culture. What truly sets vThai apart is its easy-to-understand phonetic transcription, which uses the familiar English alphabet. This allows you to pronounce Thai words correctly without needing to immediately learn the Thai script or the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. We intentionally avoid marking the 5 tonal variations, as even long-term residents of Thailand often find them challenging to master. Instead, we focus on context through sentence structure, ensuring that Thai speakers will usually understand what you mean. Simply learn vocabulary and form basic sentences. It's the easiest way to start speaking Thai with confidence. All highlights at a glance. Integrated Travel Etiquette Guide. Learn essential cultural tips to navigate Thailand respectfully and confidently. Over 1,400 audio files to perfect your pronunciation of Thai words. 17 everyday topics, helping you use the language in any situation. Interactive vocabulary trainer, allowing you to test yourself and solidify your knowledge. Bookmark Feature. Save your favorite words and phrases for quick and easy access. New Bookmark Training. Improve your saved words with specially designed interactive exercises. Smart Search Function. Instantly find the vocabulary you need, exactly when you need it. Experience Thailand like never before. Download the vThai app now. Your adventure starts here.